Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. Today I have a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. This is how it looks. I think it looks nice and pretty and bright and I think the best way to wear it with black clothes because then it really puts the colors out. So if you want to see how I did it, please stay and watch. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to apply my foundation and this is the foundation that I'm going to use today. And I'm going to mix it with this BB cream by L'Oreal. And I like to mix this BB cream with any foundation that I use because I notice that it minimizes my pores. And one more thing, this foundation, I personally like to blend in my foundation with my hand because I think it looks better at the end. But with this foundation, I notice that it looks better when you use the sponge. So that's what I'm going to use to blend it in. And just remember, when you are blending with the sponge, just go, pat, 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 don't swipe, because then if you swipe, I don't think it looks so nice. It's better, in my opinion, when you just pat, pat, pat. I'm going to apply a little of foundation on my neck, but only in this middle part. I'm not going to go to the sides, and I'm going to apply very little, not much. I'm going to apply my concealer. And I'm going to, how you say that? Blend it in, that's the word, blend it in. I couldn't remember it for a while. This is the powder that I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna put it all over the place where I put the concealer, except this part right here because I had a few wrinkles there. I rather to do that, to put my powder at the very last minute. And I'm going to put the powder right here too. Remember that I didn't put any powder here on my eyelid. I'm going to start using this color, which is a really bright pink color, and with this round brush, and I'm going to apply it right here, and I'm going to go in. So I just do circles, circles, up and down, and in and out. Then I'm going to take a tiny brush like this and I'm going to apply it all over here. And I'm going to make sure to blend it in very well. Then I'm going to use this color and I'm going to apply it right here. And I'm going to go all the way up here. Then I'm going to use this brush and I'm going to blend it in. My objective is to keep this color right here in the corner. Once I see that it's already blended in, I'm going to go with the same brush, no more color, and I'm going to go in. In here, with this tiny brush, I'm just making sure that everything looks well blended, that the purple eyeshadow is, looking nice and blended, not like just one spot in there, but it's all well integrated. I'm gonna take this black eyeshadow and I'm gonna put it right here in the corner and blend it in. Then I'm gonna use this coppery-like eyeshadow. And for this type of eyeshadow, I think it's better to apply it with this type of sponge instead of a brush, because I think then the color is more intense. And I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. I'm gonna go over with my brush and make sure the colors are blended in, the edges, sorry, are blended in. Now I want to add a little more of shine to this eyeshadow, so I'm going to be applying on top of it this one, which is really shimmery, almost kind of glitter-like. And that looks pretty, I like it. I'm going to put this color right here, and then I'm going to blend it in. So I'm going to put it right here. I'm going in with my pink color, the first one that we put, because I do want it to show. I want this eyeliner to be super black, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a black eyeshadow on top of it. And I like to use a really tiny thin brush like this one. See how thin it is? So I think that helps a lot when applying or when using the eyeshadow as an eyeliner. I'm also going to apply it right here. I'm going to clean my brush and I'm going to go ahead and blend in that eyeshadow. I'm going to take this bright pink again and I'm going to put it right here to make sure the black eyeshadow is well blended. I'm going to apply my powder now, and I'm going to use one that is a shade darker than my skin tone, because that will help me to contour my face a little better. And I'm not going to apply it, of course, all over, I'm not going to apply it all over the face, but just in certain part of it. I'm going to use this product with this brush, and I'm going to put it on my eyebrows, wherever I need some coverage. I'm going to apply my bronzer. For my blush, I'm going to apply a pink blush that I'm not going to show it to you because it's all broken because I have butter fingers. But it's going to be a pink blush. And remember to go down a little bit so that the blush mixes in or blends in with the bronzer. I'm going to put on my highlighter. And for my lips, I'm gonna use this nice pink color, and this lipstick is very dry, so because it's so dry, I'm gonna apply it with my fingers. That way I warm up the lipstick and then it goes on easier. And I'm gonna apply this lip liner. Okay, this is the final look. I hope that you like. Oh, before I forget, I decided to put these lip gloss on top instead of on top of the clear one, because this one has a little glitter. Even so, you cannot see the glitter so much once you apply it, but I did like it, so I put it on top, and I just wanted to mention that. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe, and comment, and let me know in the comments what do you think. Thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye.